After getting the product, remove both massage pads from the charging base. Now install 2 pads with the 2 massage device units magnetically. After connecting, pull off the protective layer behind the massage pads and put them back into the charging case to avoid misplacing incidents. Attach the massage pads to affected areas such as legs, back, arms, etc. Press the power button shortly to switch it on. With the help of the plus and minus buttons, you can control the intensity level. Press the plus button to increase massage strength and minus to decrease strength. There are 16 levels of intensity. The machine will buzz twice when it reaches the lowest or highest intensity. The Olynvolt massage machine has 6 massage modes. Pressing M will switch the mode with a single buzz. When it reaches the last mode, it will vibrate. Every time switching a mode will set the intensity back to level 1. Therefore, the power strength needs to be adjusted. Enjoy your massage and turn it off conveniently by pressing the power button shortly. The machine will automatically turn off after working for 15 minutes. After the massage, split the massage pads and device units. Then apply a protective "I'm on the pads again" to avoid any damage. Lastly, carefully store all the parts back in the charging case.